How to change your mouse DPI speed. In this video I will show you how you can change your mouse DPI speed. You can see my mouse, the speed of the mouse you can see here. Now in order to change this mouse DPI, what you will do, just go to your search. If you are using laptop or using PC, just go to your search and search here mouse. When you search mouse, mouse setting will appear in front of you. Just click on mouse setting and open this. When you open this, you can see here mouse pointer speed. Just increase this speed. When you increase this speed, now you can see the mouse DPI has been increased. Now in order to check how it affects, I will decrease this mouse speed from up to 1. Now you can see this is my mouse speed. So it makes affect mouse speed very much. Now again I will increase this. Now again when I will increase this, now you can see this is mouse speed. In order to use, if you want some additional mouse setting, just click on additional mouse option and again click on wheel or click on pointers. Here you can change your pointers. If you click on wheel, you can change your wheel line, number of lines, and up to so on. You can change your button. Also you can fast your double click speed, slow or fast your double click speed, but it's recommended to keep it at the middle for double click speed. But as long as the mouse speed is concerned, you can increase up to maximum level. And now you can see mouse pointer speed has been increased very much. So this is the way you can change or increase your mouse DPI.